Hello guys, so we are going to do the next question. You are given three integers a, b and c. It is guaranteed that two of these integers are equal to each other. So it is confirmed that two of these integers are equal. Okay, so what is the value of the third integer? We have to find the third integer's value. Okay, I think it's pretty simple, so let's try. So we can directly return if a equal to b, then we have to return c, or if a equal to c, then we have to return b, or if b equal to c, then we have to return a, or I'm just giving this here. If a equal to b, then we have to return c. If a equal to c, we have to return b. If b equal to c, then we have to return uh, a. Let's try this. Yes, perfect. It's a simple question. We can give if loops even. That's also can be done. And go to an infinite process. So given integers a and b, determine whether the following pseudocode results in an infinite loop. While a is not equal to b, then a should increase by 1 and b should decrease by 1. Assume that the program is executed on a virtual machine while storing an arbitrary number and execute forever. So here a is equal to 2 is given, b is equal to 6, so the output should be false because a should increment by 1 1 1 and b should decrement. So at some point they will be equal. So it will not be an infinite loop, so it will return false. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. A will increment by 1, b will decrement by 1. So 2 is equal to 2. Wait a second. 2 3 4 5 6. No, it's not the case. Well, a is not equal to b. Okay. Okay, so what we can do is we have to determine whether the following pseudocode results in an infinite loop, and the condition is a is not equal to b, a should increase by 1, and a is not equal to b. Okay, so here a will become b, so it's not an infinite loop, it's false. Here also a will become 3 and b will become 2 on the first iteration, so it will result in an infinite loop. That's why it's showing true. So we have to check that whether it's an infinite loop or not. Okay, first I'm going to check if the b value is greater than or equal to a. If that's the case, then it will be false. No, it will not be uh, an infinite loop. If b greater than or equal to a, then I'm going to give one more condition. Okay, here itself I'm going to do if b is greater than or equal to a. For the simple understanding, I'm going to do this. If b greater than or equal to a, then it should return false. Okay, then the other condition is, what we're going to do is, if the b minus 2, b minus is 6 minus 2, that is 4. If 4 percentage 2 means if the remainder of that 4 is 0, then means it will not be a infinite loop. I will explain why that condition is did like that, which means 6 minus 2, b minus a, that means 4. 4 percentage 2 will be 0 percentage. Okay, modulus of 4 will be 0, so that means it will not, while incrementing the value and decrementing, it will not come in contact. It will come in contact, it will not be an infinite loop. Sorry. So a will be 3, then b will be 5. A will be 4, then b will be 4, so that they will come equal. But when we take this case, when we take the opposite case, when it's not the when it comes to an infinite, like, which means if one is odd and the other one is, I'm giving 7, so 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 percentage 2 is not equal to 0, so that means it will come an infinite loop. Let's check. First iteration it will become 3, the other one will become 6. Second it will become 4, the other one become 5. third one it will become 5 and the other one become 4. So that's the logic that we are going to apply. We are just subtracting the second value to the first value, and if the modulus, if the remainder is 0, that means it will not be an infinite loop. If the remainder is not 0, then it will be an infinite loop. So what I'm going to do is, if b minus a percentage 2, okay, I'm going to put this in brackets, or as precedence, basically precedence, if it is 0, then it will return false. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here. Else it's going to return true. Okay, so this so 2 and 3, that means it will become 2, it will become 3. If b is greater than or equal to a, it should return false. Oh, so the thing is, this will become an infinite loop. So sorry, we can't give like this. So the thing is, we have to check if both the conditions satisfies. Okay, that's what we will do. If both the conditions satisfies, then only it will become true. That's because if b is greater than a, if b is greater than or equal to a plus, if it is just greater than or equal to a, it will directly show false now. So we have to check this condition too. If b minus a percentage 2, we have to check whether they are coinciding, whether they are coming equal values. If they come equal, then it will not be an infinite loop. You have to return false. That's what I am going to do. So this is one simple method. We can try this. Thank you. So we'll see again in the next question.